That'll be. Woo.
Where'd you head from behind?
Bro, just roll around.
Nobody knows you're here. Nobody sees you, right?
Under the arm.
Go! Why is your mask up?
They're in the goddamn walls. There's a legit photo view. That'll be. Woo.
Where'd you head from behind?
No, that was in front.
We got guys all down like in the, their guys are all down in over the woods. We should have all our guys down there.
Where are they taking fire from the front, guys?
Yep.
Probably the tower.
I don't see him.
How we doing? How we doing? They're charging.
Charging from where? Those are all orange guys, I think.
There's some that moved up that are blue. Here, Jesse, by you.
Yep, go right ahead.
I see you, Winston! On the side, guys! We're right there!
Medic, we have a medic up here.
Right.
Right here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you a medic?
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Where is coming from the front?
Yeah, go now.
You need medic? You good?
You want to go down, Miguel? You guys see if you want to go down. Get low, get low, get low.
Alright, taking fire outside just to reload a magazine. I'm thinking about what I'm going to do next.
Oh, shit. My bad. There's a guy over to the right, blue. Yep, right there. Excuse me. I don't want to accidentally shoot in the head. Okay, bud. I'm gonna leave my gun here for a second.
Yeah, just turn to the left a little bit. Austin! We're up here! Sit up here!
One pushing.
The bullets are not going to the target.
Excuse me.
25 is too light. You're gonna need like 33 users.
Ooh.
38.
Watch it right here.
Watch out.
Check the castle! Watch these stairs right here. They're lighting them up.
Yeah, because that shot came right over us.
I might advance down in the woods and start pushing their team back.
Down south or up
No,
top?
down that way.
Down my way?
Yeah.
All right.
You need a mag to go with you?
Yeah. You want to come?
Yeah, sure.
Austin.
Why?
Wait, we're gonna clear out this little building in front, and then we're gonna rush down.
Okay. Switching my guns.
Excuse me. Go ahead.
Me and my new squad decided to push out towards the woods to try to put some pressure on the back end. While our tower guys start shooting them from the top, we can start wrapping around and trying to take out as many as we can from the side.
No, that's our guys. Okay, okay. The blue is farther down in the woods that way.
Excuse me.
All right, but the ones right here are.
Yeah, right here. What's up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you.
Ah, shit. Hit.
You're hit.
Yeah. Medic. That way. Through that window. Medic.
Do medic.
Medic.
Right here, medic.
Hey. Yeah, I got hit.
You coming with me, Jaden?
Thank you.
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you. How's it going, old people? What's going on?
What's going on out here?
This gun won't work.
John, if I can't see it, you definitely sure as hell can't see it.
You know what? Just a
Alright,
clip.
I'm gonna get a team to move
Mine
up to
did it
that
and the damn
trailer,
battery fell out.
and then I'll tell you when it's clear, alright?
His battery's dead.
You go, man. I gotta go back to camp.
You going out?
That is a very nice sniper. Excuse me.
Go right ahead.
Yeah.
Right behind you.
That's blue straight ahead, you see that?
Yeah.
Yep.
Can you hear him?
Who wants to switch guns?
I can switch guns with you.
Alright. I'm down.
We're getting shot from the front.
What, from over there?
No. What, the overshooting? These guys are full auto all the way for some reason. I don't know what's wrong with them. You need medic?
He does right there.
Hold this for me. Alright. This is gonna be fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2.
Stay down, stay down.
Guys! What the fuck? Kaylin! Give Julian cover. For, I don't know why I keep saying that. I'm sorry.
I got your gun right here.
Alright, move to us.
Where'd my mag go? No.
That's your gun.
They're right there, right there, right there.
Yeah.
Straight across.
Wait, how do you shoot this? Oh, no.
Straight across at the building in front. You see that building?
Let's see him.
You guys see it?
Yep.
There you go, nice. Start lighting them up.
We gotta push next.
Put your hand up.
We're moving to that trailer.
Thank you. Jesus.
Yep, go. Now, go.
Go ahead, I'll give you cover.
Guy going up there. Alright, I'll move in.
Buddy, are you actually joking me? Is this guy serious? I hit him like 3 times in the head and he flinched.
That's how you know we got hit.
No way you're just gonna not take that. Don't peek me like you know where I am. Son of a... I'll pull out of your ass.
After realizing why every single time I killed somebody that they would get picked back up, I realized that there was a medic behind there, so I had to get rid of him quickly. I think I might have taken out the medic, but it might have not been. It was just some dudes shooting at our teammates very close by, so that hopefully helped them out to let them push.
They're in that little hut back there. How's it going, Angie? They're in that little hut across the way. Come here.
Oh, you're a medic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you hit?
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
I can provide cover there.
That would be amazing.
Know when you're ready.
Okay. 3, 2. Come on in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, you're,
1, 2, 3,
I
4,
know you're
5.
one of them. Excuse me.
You're good.
I'm waiting for that guy to free up. I need to get out of here. Did too much.
You're good. Go ahead. Oh, by the way, you're bleeding. You're bleeding on your forehead. I'm in a bad spot. No way that medic's, oh my god. To our left, to our left.
I know, I got you. I've been trying at these dudes forever.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have a medic back there. So they keep dying and then they get respawned.
He's in there, hurry!
Shit. 1 second.
Right here.
Sorry, I'm trying to supply cover.
What's going on left? Can we start pushing left?
We got guys on our left. I'm right here, give me a second. Ah, we got shot now.
You got shot in the ass.
Yeah, I did too.
Right
I'm
here?
hit.
Oh, you're hit too.
Yeah. Medic! There's an enemy behind us.
Right here, right here.
It's a spy.
Is that dude still over there?
Yeah,
Talk to you,
he's
sorry.
in the building.
I got it.
This dude's in the way though.
I'm hit.
Oh, you're hit?
Sorry. Hit. I'm hit, unfortunately.
Ow.
Ow, shit. These guys are not paying attention.
Street building, low left!
I don't know. Maybe raise your hand a little higher? I don't know. That's why I brought a dead rag. Is he actually trying to pull out of me in the back?